before say dem be na nkwana hu
God
omo 8 years dem be no say nkwana hu say nye ne penifo no nkwana ho kire ne kan he school phone cry mama questions so mo answer she answer mo dem question number 1 which country colonized Ghana uni man answer mine answer NPV In which year was Ghana colonized?
God have
2016 El Kufuado. Number 3. In which year did Ghana gain independence? 2025. Gosh, mama. Who led Ghana to gain independence? Answer. John Dramani Mama Aika. Everybody them way. 5. Mention any 4 political parties in Ghana. Answer. NDC. 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 Ivy. NDC. Akwa Padam. Ezu.
Nini. Kwa Jimmy